All right, today I have a Whirlpool dishwasher, as you can see right here. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to test out the 1 hour cycle to see if it can clean my dishes, all right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the dishwasher, all right? And I'm gonna show you the dishes that I'm gonna be putting in there. I'm going to put in this bowl. You see it's kind of crusted with dried tomato sauce. There's a little bit of oil in there. I have a pan that has a little bit of burnt egg in there. You see the burnt egg right here? It is pretty much stuck up on there. It will come up if you scrape it. And then I also have a pan that has a dried up tomato sauce and maybe a little bit of basil leaves in there. I'm going to see if that comes clean. Also, I have a grater that has kind of semi-dried garlic on there. All right, so I'm going to put all of these inside of the dishwasher to see if they can come clean. Also, I want to see if the spoon comes clean with this dried up tomato sauce. So this is going to be the test, all right? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and load up the dishwasher with the dishes. I'm going to put the forks, utensils at the bottom. I'm going to place this on the top rack right here. All right, what else am I going to put up here? I'm going to put the grater. I'm going to put that up on here to see if it can get rid of all that. And then I'm going to take this. I need to throw this in there. I'm going to throw in this strainer on top right there. All right, so that's all I'm going to put. Or maybe I'll put my coffee cup on top. All right, I'm going to put my coffee cup on top to get that clean. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom. Now, the bottom, I'm going to put the pots. I need to throw this up. Here's the spoon with tomato sauce stuck on it. I'm going to place that on top. And then I'm going to put the pots face down on the bottom. All right, face down on the bottom. All right, and then I have a little cutting board. Going to place that on the side. A knife. And maybe a couple more utensils, a spoon in there, and that. All right, so I have this all in here. Oh, I have the microwave cover. Might as well place that in there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close that up, and then I'm going to put one of the Cascade Platinum pods inside of the drawer. So that's what I'm going to be washing with. And then I'm just going to come up here, and then I'm going to get this thing ready. So I'm going to cycles. Right now it's on sensor. I'm going to change it to 1 hour wash. All right. It's going to take 59 minutes, heat dry. As you can see, Santa rinse does not work on this mode, and neither does high temp wash. All right, so I have this in here. All right, I'm going to see if the 1 hour wash will get all that crud clean. All right, so let's go ahead and start this. I'm going to press start, hold it down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what works, what happens. The dishwasher is done. It's time to check and see how well the 1 hour cycle did for the dishes inside of this Whirlpool dishwasher. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what happened. All right, we're gonna check the top shelf first. All right, as you can see, it's still hot because of the heat dry. You see some of the steam coming up. The bowls came clean, all right? The bowls came clean completely with the 1 hour wash. All the tomato stuck on tomato stuff is off. Now look at a spoon. The spoon is also clean right here. There was dried tomato sauce on here. It is completely gone. Now let's check on the grater. All right, the grater that I had garlic on. Let's see if it got it off. All right, as you can see, all of the dried up pieces of garlic are off of the grater, which is great. All right, so it did a really good job on the top shelf. Now the real test is going to be on the bottom shelf, okay? Because that's where we had the pots that were really heavily soiled with food. Let me just go ahead and take this out so I can close the top shelf. All right, so let's check out the bottom. Now remember the spoon, before we go forward, the spoon is clean, fork is clean. All right, now let's check the pan. However, with the 1 hour cycle, it did leave some substance left on the pan, which comes off easily, but the 1 hour wash was not enough to get rid of that. And there's still some oil stains right here, some burnt oil right here. I might have to get that off with a little bit of scouring pad and some baking soda. So for the first pan, the 1 hour cycle didn't completely clean it, but that's the 1 hour cycle. I was in a rush. So now let's check on the other pan, all right? So we're gonna check on the other pan. Now here's the other pan, all right? So there's some mark in here, but that's kind of like stained, like in there. I have to take some baking soda to get that off. So that's not part of this test whatsoever. However, I'm looking around and I don't see any of the tomato sauce stuck in this pan. So grading the wash for the 1 hour wash, overall it did an okay job. And I say okay because it got most of the dishes clean. However, you have this one right here with some food still stuck on this. All right, so that's the 1 hour wash. So if you have the Whirlpool dishwasher and you're trying to get your dishes clean really fast, take note that the 1 hour wash may not get all the stuff out. You may have to go up for, a more intensive wash. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks a lot for watching.